Hello everyone. So why customer choose us? Customer is basically choosing us due to his market research about Unicorps. Then probably he's meeting us and then going with lot of discussions with Unicorps as why Unicorps should be chosen. What is that we bring in place, because it's a very big decision which customers are taking with us, that he's going for a change in his organization. It's an entire shift, and this is a very ongoing engagement between the partner which they choose and the customer. So it's probably a relationship of approximately 7 to 10 years, wherein Unicorps will come into picture and handhold their customers to take the leap of growth, togetherness along with our customers. We will ensure that how customers are taking ahead their business strategies, taking their sales, taking their growth in the market. So basically that is the way which how we position to our customers. If I talk about in terms of how the adoption towards our ERP will be there, how the hand holding will be done with the customer. So hand holding and adoption is a very key area. Taking a solution is easy for a customer. They have big pockets, or they are thinking of going ahead with a solution, but yes, taking them along with this journey of an ERP implementation is very important. Where Unicorps come in place, that are consultants who are certified consultants. They come in place, they are acting as a doctor to their organization, because we as a consultant for a company are like doctors to their businesses. We come in place, we make them understand what requirements are there, what are industry best practices which are available with customers of their similar industries, and then taking them ahead to this journey of ERP implementation, which may take some customers may take 3 months, some customers may take 6 months, depending on their nature of business. But yes, the adoption part is very important, and one of the very core area again which customer is there choosing us is that we as a technology partner caters not only an ERP as a piece, but there are other services as well. So customer doesn't need to haggle around with various other multiple companies, or I call it as vendor. So similarly, what I talk about, that all our engagements, be it our own vendors, be it our own customers, are all our business partners. So we strongly believe as an organization to move ahead as a togetherness with our customers as well as our vendors. So it's a very strong ecosystem wherein if I talk about our customers, if I talk about our vendors, we take them all together and handhold them to make all the successes which the customer is foreseeing towards the period of 5 years or 10 years. So now a very important piece in today's volatile world. The dynamics are changing very quickly. So now customer retention for any organization is very difficult. Today's world, service industries are getting very tough. If a customer is not satisfied, a decision of change is very important. So we at Unicorps are very much focusing on retaining our customers. It is very important for our customers to sustain during their tough times, during our tough times. So we as a one umbrella talk together and see what best can be done for our customers. So what solutions are there which are generally a customer is looking after once they are probably going ahead with an ERP solution, they are live, the adoption, the hypercare, and all those stages have been passed by the customer. So wherein we as Unicorps come in place again once they are stable, once they are running the show on SAP Business One for quite some time, and then again a piece of discussion with their management comes in place, that okay, what is your technology horizon towards the period of time, what you are looking out, what are the difficulties you are facing, which a technology can pitch in and help you ease in your organization to save your cost, to increase your sales. So therein all we do all the type of audits, health checkup with our customers, and then identify the gray areas in their organization. And once we identify few of the gray areas, as you know that Unicorps is into multiple other technologies also. We have HR1 in place to manage the HR MSPs. We have ClearTax as our very big partner, where we are managing all the taxations, GST related queries, problems of our customers. Then we have analytics. So analytics is also very important. Now customer wants to analyze, take better business decisions. So we have Tableau as a practice where the customers are looking out for analytics. They want to analyze their business to the nth level, and we come in place. Okay, this is required, this is now need of the hour for the organization. So there are multiple such solutions, mobile application, web portals. There are many such technology requirements of a customer which they might also not be knowing at their initial stage that they would probably require that. So that is where we come in. We do the health checkup. Again, I am highlighting the piece of health checkup which is very important for our customers. People don't even know that what they require, and wherein our doctors, our consultants come in place, and then they understand that yes, this is the need and you should go ahead with this part. So now what Unicorps does to add more technologies? Why is there a need? What we foresee? How we take a decision internally that this technology should be built in, this technology is required to our customers. Like I said, we do health checkups. Once it is done, we can foresee that this is the industry trends, these are the requirements which is coming in place. A lot of customers have talking to us about those solutions. Very much like you say, before 10 years there was no WhatsApp existence in the market. Today there is WhatsApp. If I talk about through an analysis done by a lot of companies, a management person as well in today's day is reading 92% times his WhatsApp message even before an email, even before his professional emails as well. So what was the requirement of those such solutions which are there in place? So when we meet our customers, we identify and we foresee that okay, this is the requirement which is soon going to come in place. Soon you can see that there is an audit trail requirement coming and soon going to be launched by the government of India. So wherein customers would require to maintain all their audit logs, why these transactions have been changed. And this is a very important thing for a management to take in the organization. Maybe it is not coming up from the user side, but yes, a management is equally important to know that what changes in the market are coming. Even if they have heard something, they talk to us. So that trust with our business partners, like I said, customers, we have built in that yes, they will speak with us. Even if they have heard a single word from any in the community, they will come to Unicorps, talk to us that what is this, what do you know about this. And even if we don't know, we do our research. We have an entire product and development team who does that research, come up with the solutions, and then we always come up and go with this customer, keeping in place 2 to 3 solutions that okay, this is our research, let us know how we can start. We have started a lot of practices, lot of new technologies are added because of our customers only. We may not be thinking if a customer is not coming to us asking about that requirement. So that is where I would say that our customers are helping us build these technologies, and together we are growing together to sustain in the market as a business partner.